Hey guys, it's Liz with a quick video on how to create a liner for jars that don't have one. So I'm going to show you 3 different materials you can use. The first one is a thin piece of foam, and my daughter created a cute little picture on that one for me. You can also use a quilted paper towel, or you can use a piece of cardstock. This is just a junk mailer that I got in the mail, so we're recycling. So with the foam, all you're going to do is take your cap to your jar and press it in there to create an impression. Then you just cut it out on the inside of that impression. Now this is a little bit thinner piece of foam. I got this from the Dollar Tree, so it works really well. Some of them are a little bit thicker, so I don't know how they would work, because this one was a little tight getting it on there. But once I got it on there, it was fine. The foam kind of pressed down a little bit, and so it was pretty easy getting it off and on. The next way is a quilted paper towel. So everybody should have some paper towels. So this is a quick and easy way to do this, and they fit in really easily. So you just got to make sure that you don't cut it too small or too big. Just cut it right in the side of that little impression, push it in there, and it's just that easy. Shaking it up, showing you how it works. And there you go. So you can see that it didn't even get on the inside of that lid. The last way is using just a piece of cardstock. Now this is a little bit harder to get perfect because it doesn't really, you can't really shove it in there. You've got to cut it perfectly. So I tried to cut on the inside of that line that I created, but it was still too big. So I ended up having to just trim just a sliver, very small sliver, all the way around. And once I did that, it was pretty perfect. There was just a slight little piece that was sticking up on the sides, but I kept it on there and it fit pretty easily. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.